Girls, me again. Quick video. Just sharpened my Country Cousin from Queen Cutlery D2 steel. Very hard to sharpen. And so far, it did a good job. The sharpener that I was using. As you know, D2 is kind of hard to sharpen because of the structure of the carbide and stuff like that. But as you can see, yeah, that's a little bald spot right there. There's some hair here. So I got this D2 Country Cousin shaving sharp. So it is possible to get a shaving sharp. And later on I'll bring you the video what I used to sharpen D2 steel without a hassle. Well, thanks for watching and see you soon again.